Hi, my name is Sam Atkins. I'm the senior sous chef at XL London. I've been a chef for about 20 years now, and yeah, still enjoying it, so that's always good, isn't it? For me, it was the kitchen environment I got into very young, and I really enjoyed that, and my love for food flourished more from being in the kitchen and being in that environment. At home, it's quick and easy. I like a lot of Japanese food, so I tend to do like Japanese-inspired dishes at home. In the workplace, I think I really enjoy like small bowl food stuff, something that really allows us to show what we can do on a plate. You know, a really intense packed dish, and I like that. I like small bites. I think I'd probably have to go for Pierre Koffman. You know, he's one of the godfathers of modern British cooking. My friend worked with him, so I had lunch with him, which was quite an honour. My desert island meal would be peanut butter on toast, but not just peanut butter on toast. It would be peanut butter on toast with hot sauce. It's one dish I've ate since I was a kid, and I can still eat it now, and I don't ever think I'll ever get bored of it, so that'd be an easy one.